Welcome to AdaBox 007. With previous AdaBoxes, you've built robots and radios, learned CircuitPython, and played retro games. Now, you're ready to learn about the dark arts of electronics. This AdaBox is super sneaky, with a secret, spy, and security theme. Everything in this box will teach you stuff they don't want you to know. We wanted to bring you the full experience of being a super hacker spy, but without having to hang upside down from a helicopter or break into Megacore's skyscraper headquarters at 2 a.m. You'll use your brains and hands to solve puzzles, send secret messages, bypass locks, and listen in on the radio waves around you. Then, you'll build some electronic projects that will teach you about security while having fun. You'll learn how real hackers and security experts work, and at the same time, how to protect yourself from spying eyes. AdaBox 007.